Good afternoon. Here at Gateway Peugeot, we've just taken delivery of this lovely 5008 Allure 1.2 petrol automatic with a host of options on it. So it's a lovely looking vehicle, say a 7-seater in great condition. It's a car that we've sold and serviced from new. Comes with full 12 months Peugeot backed warranty with 12 months breakdown cover. Goes through a host of checks through the workshop before anybody has it. Has a full approved used car check. So it's in lovely condition. Fantastic family car. So the interior of this car is in fantastic condition. With the 5008 here, you've got the 3 individual rear seats that are all tiltable, movable, forwards and backwards. You've also got a completely flat floor here, no exhaust hump in the middle. Pull-up sun blinds for rear passengers for extra comfort. This particular car has also got keyless entry and push button stop start, as well as, I say, in the automatic gearbox. So it comes with the touchscreen including satellite navigation and the configurable screen here, dash, the LED dash, with this car currently on 31,574,000 miles. It's got the sport small leather steering wheel here with the controls on it for your radio and Bluetooth and phone. It's also got automatic lights, automatic windscreen wipers. It's even got lane departure and blind spot detection in the end of the wing mirrors here. So this actual car's got a couple of other options on it. It was factory fitted with the electric tailgate, so remote control or foot operated or press button operated tailgate. Great if you've got a handful of shopping. So the rear seats are tucked underneath the floor here, very easy to lift up. Just a simple pull and lift of the seats up. It's easy as that to put your seats up. This particular car has also got a detachable tow bar to come with the car as well.